Disclaimer. This is an emergency alert system EAS scenario. This is a fan fiction and should be taken as said. This EAS scenario contains valid sounds and tones. Do not play these over the air or any form of radio wave, as you may trigger a false activation emergency alert system and may cause panic. The owner will not be held responsible for any issues caused. This video may have photos that are creepy.
It's a beautiful day in Oklahoma City. We have blue sky with no rain for at least a week, and we have an interrupt.
This is requested by the federal police, stating a civil danger warning for the following areas: D. C. People are dressed up walking around killing people. We urge you to stay inside locked doors and windows. We will update you when we have new information.
Time, thought I might go on by when your memory came flooding in and you closed that door. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a diesel locomotive.
The federal government has issued a civil emergency for the following areas: Oklahoma. The people dressed up and were walking DC are moving across the country. No one knows what they are here for. They look to be non-live. The people are dresses up aren't real. They are from the video game Mortal Kombat. They have came to kill humanity. There is no hope. We have tried everything in our power. Stay by your loved ones in the final moments of life. May God be with us now. We will play our national anthem in our final moments as we launch nuclear warheads into the major cities. We will rise up again. We won't fall easily.